Alright, what is good, YouTube? Rohit back with another video, and today we got a POV for y'all with the GoPro, as y'all can see. I haven't done these. Sorry, I'm still a little bit having a cough and just congestion. I mean, this weather has just been so weird. It's been hot sometimes, it's been cold sometimes. You just never know what you're gonna get. But my paddles are finally working because I fixed it, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. No upshift on a downshift. I mean, downshift on an upshift, whatever. None of that anymore, so that's good. But yeah, hopefully you guys are doing good. Appreciate all the support we've been getting recently. I know you guys like the POV, so I had to bring them back because vlogs are cool, but I mean, unless I got stuff going on, there ain't no reason to do a vlog. Unless there's like some big event going on or something, like a car meet or something. But right now I don't have anything like that, so POVs are probably the best bet for y'all to enjoy. But yeah, I mean, you guys can hear the whine for sure. You can hear that whine a little tiny bit. Let's actually do a little bit of a whine. Y'all hear that? Oh my god, I love those shifts. I love those shifts. It sounds so good. But yeah, got this. I saw a Daytona Charger. I wish I was able to get up to it, but I was too late to turn into traffic, so I had to wait until I could downshift. That sounds good. My guess is probably like, well, that's not bad. We're just chilling anyway. We're just listening to the whine, really. But y'all can see though. Oh, look at that GT. He doesn't want anything. He was looking down at his phone. He does not want to do anything. I wanted to see if a GT want to play. Nah, GT does not want to play. Wait, what's going on? I hate when people do this. That whine is so beautiful. Sounds like it's singing to the heavens. Oh my god, bro, this traffic's insane though. I got like a bunch of people in front right now. I can't get around nobody. Just stuck. I might just get off here, we'll see. On my bumper, like, come on, bro. I am not the one holding up traffic. Get off my bumper. You don't want to see this thing get in action if you're just sitting on my bumper like that. These guys gotta go though. I gotta get off. This is my exit coming. These people are all going to the same exit. This guy's, what is going on? Oh, that whine. Oh, this guy got behind. so slow. I cannot take this traffic sometimes. Like, you guys got so many lanes. I think there's somebody in front. Yeah, there is somebody in front. I still don't care. This is way too slow. Like, bruh. And now we're gonna get stuck because there's 1,000 people trying to turn left at this Walmart. Like, come on, bro. Like, look at this. Are you sticking out? Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Don't want to miss the light. Don't want to miss anything. I feel like people just drive so slow. I mean, look at this traffic, though. That's a lot of traffic in front. Can't even lie. Yeah, get out the way and don't even use your blinker. That thing sounds... Actually, let me open the window a little bit so you can hear it much better. I want to listen to this. A lot of traffic outside today, though. Ooh, it's cold outside today. Little bit. It's 32 outside, so it's still a little bit cold. Y'all hear that whine, though? I know y'all hear that whine. I love that. It just sounds like a violin playing music. You don't even have to speed. You just gotta listen to that. Woo! Thing goes. Oh, look at that yellow car. I remember my orange Mustang when I see it. Whenever I see like crazy colors, I always think about my orange Mustang. And I just think like it was such a thing that just stuck out like a sore thumb. And to be honest, I like having a car that's more low key. Honestly, I don't like to have something that's that note. Oh, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that whine? Oh my God, these birds. Hear that whine? Let's open the window all the way. Let's see if we can hear it better. I hear the exhaust. That whine is still there, but the exhaust is actually good. Wow, those shifts sound so hopefully good. You guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna do it for today's little POV drive. Hopefully you guys will subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, all that stuff. Hopefully you guys like the whine. This thing whines like crazy, but yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.